Yeah, it only does it with the clutch engaged.
Dirty, so that's why squirrels, see, they grease these here, they never grease this and that.
So where is your grease gun?
It's in the car there. I'm gonna. Yeah, that bearing's completely dry.
So maybe I can bring it and you can. So you wanna take a risk? Just buy it as is and grease it at home?
I'd rather try it first. You know what I mean? It's a little. I mean, I can tell the noise is right here when you're running it. You know what I mean? Yeah, it had to be on. If it wasn't making that noise,
Yeah.
3,500 to 7,000.
So yeah, because of that noise, you're at least getting $1,000 discount. And do you have to replace that because of the noise, or you can keep using it until it really breaks?
That's what I mean. That's.
Yeah. Keep using it, maybe it's gonna last.
Yeah, you know what I mean? That grease will probably work into it. You know what I mean? If it does like the other one, the grease will probably work right into it. You could use like a flat washer, you know what I mean, to take up the slack and it has the big shaft and it spins the right way.
Okay, yeah.
That other one, because they're that size, they put the little shaft and they spin the opposite way.
How many seconds did let them glow plugs heating up?
20 to 30 seconds. Or, yeah, 20 to 30 seconds.
We're trying to mount the ball for the hitch so we can pull a trailer with this tractor. What are you doing here?
Going home, man.
So here how you can do it yourself hitch. Just drill another hole. Here is the tools. You start with pilot hole and then you go with a step bit drill. And here it is. And here we tighten up that nut by sticking a bar underneath.